When people talk about business in Nigeria, two cities always dominate the conversation: Onitsha and Aba. But here's the real question nobody agrees on. Which city is actually king of commerce? Is it Onitsha, the city with one of the biggest markets in Africa? Or is it Aba, the city known for creating and manufacturing almost everything? Today, we are settling this debate once and for all. And trust me, this might offend some people. If you've ever been to Onitsha, you know that place does not sleep. From morning till night, trucks keep entering, goods keep moving, and money keeps changing hands. But Aba is different. Aba is where ideas become products. Shoes, belts, clothes, bags, leather works. This city literally produces things that people across Nigeria and beyond buy every single day. One city sells, one city creates. But which one is more important? That is what we are breaking down today. First, let's start with the size. Onitsha main market is often called one of the biggest markets in West Africa, and honestly, once you step in there, it feels endless. Electronics, clothes, foodstuffs, building materials, household goods, almost everything is sold there. People from all over Nigeria come to Onitsha to buy in bulk. If your goal is to buy cheap and distribute across the country, Onitsha is almost impossible to ignore. 'But Aba has a rare market, and Area isn't just big, it's powerful. Why? Because a lot of what you see there was actually made in Aba itself. That changed everything. So while Onitsha may win in volume, Aba fights back in originality. 2. Manufacturing power. This is where Aba becomes dangerous. Aba is probably Nigeria's strongest local manufacturing city. Need shoes? Aba. Need school uniforms? Aba. Need leather bags? Aba. Need belts? Aba. Aba does not just depend on imported goods, it's grace. That is a huge advantage because in business, the people who make the product often control the real profit. Onitsha dominates in distribution, Aba dominates in production, and without production, what exactly are you distributing? That is the question. 3. Money flow. Until it's known for insane cash flow. The speed of transaction is crazy. Every minute, deals are happening. Millions, sometimes billions. The city moves faster. But Aba money works differently. Aba's strength is in long-term wealth creation. A manufacturer can build a brand, expand production, and scale nationally. So while Onitsha may move money faster, Aba may build money deeper. Fast money versus lasting business. Which is better? Depends on who you ask. 4. Business opportunities. If you're a young entrepreneur trying to start with little capital, Onitsha may be easier. Buy, sell, repeat, simple. But if you want to create your own product and build something original, Aba might be the better choice. That is why many people say Onitsha teaches trading, Aba teaches building. And honestly, that is one of the biggest differences between both cities. 5. Culture and mindset. In Onitsha, businesses feels aggressive, fast negotiations, quick profit, high movement. In Aba, businesses feels more creative. People experiment more, they build, they improve, they adapt. Posits are deeply rooted in Igbo entrepreneurship, but their styles are very different, and that is what makes the comparison so interesting. So who runs commerce better? If you are judging by market size, movement, and trade volume, Onitsha is hard to beat. But if you are judging by production, innovation, and local manufacturing, Aba is king. Personally, I think Nigeria needs both because one keeps goods moving and the other keeps goods existing. But now, I want to hear from you. If you had to pick one city to represent Nigeria's commerce, Onitsha or Aba, and don't just type the name, tell me why. Let's settle this in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on post notification. See you in the next one. Bye.